Hello, my name is Lincoln and I'm 12 years old. Today, I'll be sharing about my project, which is centered on education. The objective of this project is to educate people on endangered animals. I color coded the program so that it's much neater. When the user runs the code, a main menu will appear, and the user can choose one of these three options. 1. Learn about different endangered animals. 2. Quiz themselves on endangered animals. And 3. Exit. I use if else and elif to code this section and many others too. If I select one, a few paragraphs will appear, having a 1 second pause in between each paragraph so that it doesn't look like just a huge chunk of information. If the user wishes to, he or she can go to the Singapore Zoo's website and learn more about different animals. If the user wishes to quiz themselves, three multiple choice questions will appear, one at a time. If the user chooses the correct answer, the program will say that he or she got it correct and say that the correct answer. If the user gets it wrong, the program will say that he or she got it wrong and will tell them the correct answer. If the user types gibberish, the program will consider it wrong and tell the user the answer. Lastly, if the main menu will come back, and if the user wishes to exit, the program will stop running. I hope to use this program as a bite-sized learning module for children my age or younger to provide an overview of endangered animals. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you.